Over the previous few decades, military drones have become more powerful and deadly. Military drone technology is advancing at breakneck speed and has had a transformative impact on the modern battlefield. Hundreds of countries now build unmanned aerial vehicles with a variety of capabilities, ranging from reconnaissance to attack. It's extremely difficult to establish which attack drone is the best in the world because testing locations are politically limited. There could be drones that we aren't aware of. Let's have a look at the top 10 greatest military drones in the world. Number 10. CAIG Wing LOONG 2, China. The Chengdu Wing LOONG 2 is a Chinese aerial surveillance and precision airstrike aircraft that was developed recently. It was introduced into the Chinese military in 2017 and reflects China's advanced drone technological development. The drone can carry a maximum external payload of 480 kilograms and is designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and aerial strike. It has the capacity to carry up to 12 laser-guided bombs or missiles, such as FT-950 bombs, GB-3 250-kilogram laser-guided bombs, and TL-10 missiles. The medium-altitude, long-endurance (MALE) aircraft can fly for 32 hours and reach a top speed of 199 kilometers per hour. It has a service ceiling of 32,480 feet and a minimum takeoff weight of 4,200 kilograms. Number 9. YABHON United 40. ADCOM Systems, based in the United Arab Emirates, created and constructed the YABHON United 40 MALE aircraft, known as a Smart I-2. Algeria 54 is the aircraft's local name. It's now in service with Algerian forces. The multi-mission UAV can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of payload, including sensors and surveillance equipment, with camera platforms, synthetic aperture radar, and sonar. The combat drone has 4 pods beneath the wing that can carry up to 400 kilograms of munitions. The unmanned aircraft also allows for the insertion of extra payload near the fuselage's belly. The aircraft, which is powered by a hydric turbine electric propulsion system, has a top speed of 118 knots and can stay in the air for 120 hours. The aircraft's maximum allowable takeoff weight is 1,500 kilograms. Number 8. CASC Rainbow, China. The CASC Rainbow is a series of powerful Chinese-made military drones that come in a dizzying diversity of configurations. The Rainbow series' most recent model, the CH-5, has a wingspan of 21 meters and a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms. The CH-5 has an impressive ceiling of 9 kilometers and a range of 10,000 kilometers, demonstrating how far and how quickly Chinese military technology is developing. The Chinese claim that the CH-5 has the same capabilities as America's MQ-9 Reaper but costs half the price, making it an incredibly appealing alternative for the export market. Nonetheless, the Reaper has a higher ceiling of 12 to 15 kilometers. Having said that, the CH-5 has a far longer endurance, being able to stay airborne for 60 hours compared to the Reaper's 14 hours. Not only that, but future CH-5s will be able to stay in the air for up to 120 hours. Number 7. MQ-9B SKYGUARDIAN. The Royal Air Force used the MQ-9B SKYGUARDIAN RPA as a part of its Protector RG Mark I program in 2020. The GAASI UAV is designed to meet the NATO STANAG 4671 UAV system airworthiness requirements as well as the UK DEFSTAN 00970 design and airworthiness standards. The UAV has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,670 kilograms and 9 payload stations with a payload capacity of 1,814 kilograms. It can carry 500 pounds GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs and/or AGM-114 Hellfire missiles as combat payloads. As part of the SKYGUARDIAN RPA, GAASI has developed a detect and avoid system for the aircraft. It's capable of flying at altitudes above 40,000 feet with maximum speeds of 210 knots and remaining airborne for more than 40 hours. Number 6. TAI AKSUNGUR. AKSUNGUR is one of the numerous medium-altitude, long-endurance UAVs that have been developed in response to the Reaper. It was developed in Turkey as a follow-up to its smaller predecessors. Turkey is now creating a variety of advanced military drones and it has vast experience deploying them for both active reconnaissance and active combat operations, both directly and indirectly in Syria and Azerbaijan during their fight with Armenia. The TAI AKSUNGUR has a huge payload capacity and is designed for a variety of missions such as signals intelligence, marine patrol, long-term surveillance, and combat. What pushes AKSUNGUR above many similar designs is its impressive reported endurance of 40 hours. Number 5. General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, USA. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper has been in service with the United States Air Force since 2007. It's the first hunter-killer drone built for long endurance and high-altitude service. According to the U.S. Air Force's classification, the newest unmanned aircraft, the MQ-9 Reaper, is a hunter-killer, an aircraft capable of tracking down and destroying a target. The MQ-9 Reaper can carry up to 14 Hellfire air-to-surface missiles, but the now common Predator unmanned aircraft can only carry 2. Instead of missiles, the MQ-9 Reaper can carry 4 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and 2 laser-guided bombs, GBU-12 Paveway-2, each weighing 250 kilograms. At full load, the MQ-9 Reaper can remain airborne for 14 hours and has a top speed of 480 kilometers per hour. But the Predator aircraft's top speed is limited to 215 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey. The Turkish company Baykar Makina developed the Bayraktar TB2 surveillance and strike unmanned aerial vehicle, which is now in service with the country's ground forces. It is a variant of the Bayraktar Block B and is classified as tactical medium-altitude UAV, with a lengthy flight duration. The drone software and control technologies are more advanced than the Israeli HERON UAV. The UAV Bayraktar TB2 is powered by an internal combustion engine, Rotax 912, with a capacity of 100 liters. The maximum flight speed is 250 km per hour, the cruise speed is 130 km per hour, and the service ceiling is 7,300 meters. The device's body is built of composite materials. UAV Bayraktar TB2 is equipped with an automatic takeoff and landing system. The device is outfitted with a number of cameras and surveillance devices, allowing it to be used for reconnaissance. Furthermore, the Bayraktar TB2 can carry 2 anti-tank guided missiles as well as a Roketsan MAML or MAMC laser-guided glide munitions. After conducting test flights at a height of 8 kilometers in June and August 2014, the Bayraktar TB2 UAV received the world record for unmanned aerial vehicles in its class. The flight lasted 24 hours and 34 minutes. The vehicle's length is 6.5 meters, its wingspan 12 meters, and its range is 150 kilometers. Its maximum takeoff weight is 650 kilograms, and its maximum payload mass is 55 kilograms. Number 3. Heron TP, Israel. Israel Aerospace Industries built and developed the Heron TP, also known as ITAN, an automatic taxi takeoff and landing ATOL drone, IAI. The Israeli Defense Force is using the combat drone. It has a maximum payload capacity of 2,700 kilograms, which comprises numerous mission systems such as synthetic aperture radar, global system for mobile communications, communication intelligence sensors, and combat payloads such as guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. The aircraft, which is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT-6A 1200 brake horsepower engine, can fly for more than 30 hours at a maximum speed of 220 knots. The maximum permissible takeoff weight of the aircraft is 5,670 kilograms. Number 2. GAAS Avenger, Predator C, US. The GAASI Predator C Avenger is a remotely piloted aircraft. The aircraft took its first flight in April 2009. The maximum takeoff weight of the combat drone is 8,255 kilograms. It can carry numerous sensor payloads attached to its wing hardpoint mountings, as well as precision munitions and huge sensors weighing up to 1,588 kilograms in its internal weapons compartment. The aircraft's total payload capacity is 2,948 kilograms. Hellfire missiles, guided bomb unit, GBU-1249 laser-guided bombs, GBU-31, GBU-32, GBU-38 joint direct attack munitions, and GBU-39 and GBU-1648 bombs are among its armament payloads. The Predator C Avenger surpasses the Predator B in terms of operating and transit speeds. The military drone, which is powered by a Pratt & Whitney PW545B turbofan engine, can reach altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. It has a top speed of 400 km per hour and a 20-hour endurance. Predator C Avenger has that kind of power. Number 1. ELBIT HERMES 900, Israel. Israel was a pioneer in military drone technology and is still one of the world's top drone exporters. The ELBIT HERMES 900 is one of Israel's most important drones nowadays. It's currently one of the most extensively utilized military drones in the world. The ELBIT HERMES 900 is a medium-sized military drone with a 30-hour endurance and a ceiling of 30,000 feet. Both the Azeri and Israeli forces have used the ELBIT HERMES 900, and both have had notable success. The manufacturer claims that adverse weather and short endurance greatly degrade the SAR capabilities of manned aircraft, often prohibiting them from carrying out their life-saving missions. The HERMES 900, on the other hand, can fly non-stop for more than 24 hours in adverse conditions, day and night. In conclusion, military drones are one of the most rapidly emerging technologies, and militaries all over the world are rushing to adopt them.